Looking for the ultimate action camera in 2025? Whether you're capturing extreme sports, epic travels, or everyday moments, these are the top 5 best 5K and 4K action cameras that deliver stunning quality, power, and performance without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the SJCAM SJ11 Active, a powerful 4K action camera built for adventure. With a Sony sensor, 20 megapixel resolution, and 154 degrees wide-angle lens, it delivers crystal-clear footage. Dual screens, 6-axis gyro stabilization, and waterproofing up to 30 meters with a case make it ideal for extreme sports. Features include Wi-Fi, touchscreen, live streaming, car mode, and a 1300 mAh removable battery for up to 90 minutes of use. Capture every moment in high quality, anytime, anywhere with the SJ11 Active. Item number 4. Experience next-level clarity with the Huafan M4R action camera, delivering stunning 5K video and up to 50 megapixel photos. With a 107-degree wide-angle lens, 4K at 60 FPS recording, and advanced EIS stabilization, it captures smooth, detailed footage in any adventure. Perfect for diving, biking, or vlogging, it supports Wi-Fi, remote control, and optional wireless mic. Waterproof and compact, with support for 128GB storage, it's built for action. Take your videos to the extreme. Record, relive, and share with the Huafan M4R. Item number 3. Meet the SJCAM C300, your ultimate 4K pocket action camera for every adventure. With dual touchscreens, 154-degree wide-angle lens, 6-axis gyro stabilization, and up to 3800 mAh battery, it captures smooth, detailed footage in any condition. Waterproof up to 30 meters with case, it supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, live streaming, and even pre-records up to 60 seconds. Whether you're diving, biking, or vlogging, the C300 delivers. Small in size, big on performance. Capture life with the SJCAM C300. Item number 2. Introducing the AUSEK S81 TRW action camera, your all-in-one 5K adventure companion. Capture ultra-clear footage at up to 5K 30 FPS or 4K 60 FPS with 48 megapixel photos and stunning 170-degree wide-angle views. Equipped with dual screens, 6-axis EIS, and waterproof design up to 40 meters, it's perfect for diving, biking, or any outdoor thrill. Easily transfer files via Wi-Fi. Use the remote control for hands-free shooting and enhance creativity with optional filters. Lightweight and compact, the S81 TRW is built for vloggers, athletes, and explorers who demand quality, flexibility, and performance. Item number 1. Meet the Huafan G10M action camera, your ultimate companion for capturing life's adventures. Shoot an ultra-clear 5K video and snap 48 megapixel photos with its Sony IMX576 sensor and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. It features 8-dies digital zoom, electronic image stabilization, and a 2.0-inch touchscreen for easy control. Waterproof up to 30 meters and operable from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. It's ideal for sports, diving, or travel. With built-in Wi-Fi, HDMI output, and support for wired or wireless mics, the G10M is built for performance and versatility. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.